Sometimes we come across those low budget earphones on Amazon that over exaggerate and are hyped up in the specifications. For example, like,
"Oh, look at these are lighter than a coin. Dance with booming bass."
And I must admit, those particular earphones, most times they do fall flat. But hopefully with these KBEAR KS1 wired earphones costing less than £20, fingers crossed, we hope they prove us wrong. So yep, here's the KS1s in all their glory. Inside we received the KBEAR IEMs, a simple user guide, which doesn't actually supply much information at all. Useless. Now we are provided with a 2-pin braided detachable 70cm cable. It is rather a basic cable that has an L-shaped angled 3.5mm jack sitting to the opposite end. Nope, there's no microphone or any function control on this cable, but what we are given is a little bag containing extra ear tips. Now those 2-pin connections that sit on the end of those over-the-ear ear hooks, they simply connect to the IEMs just like so. But looking closer at the earphones themselves, they are made of very light ABS plastic, gloss black in colour, with the KBEAR logo printed on the sides. The nozzles where the medium-sized ear tip sits, it's actually made of metal. It's very durable, with a mesh metal grill sitting in the inner side. They are ergonomically shaped, so they will fit pretty well within the natural contours of our ears, and here's how they will look when they are indeed placed within our ears. Nope, they shouldn't fall out once you have attached your desired sized ear tips. But once they are placed in, the one thing I will note is that there doesn't seem to be an awful lot of passive nor dedicated noise isolation. Nevertheless, they are amazingly light, which while we tested them throughout the day, they did provide us with many hours use and felt quite comfortable, never making our ears feel sweater. But when it does come to the audio though, in all honesty, there's plenty of bass. Yes, a nice smooth bass, but that bass does slightly overpower the mid-tones a little. So the mid-tones do sit a little bit back for our liking, but the treble does indeed have a very good range. At the highest volume, the highs don't make you cringe, sibilance is absolutely quite fine, and overall the audio sits above average for its price range. I do wish that there was more presence of the mids, but nevertheless, I do think as wired earphones go, especially on Amazon, when you're looking for some budget earphones, that these KS1s today, I am actually pleasantly surprised about their performance. These KS1s are definitely worth taking a look at, and I most certainly feel that they are an underdog set of earphones when comparing a vast amount of earphones on Amazon with these ones today. These ones will pleasantly surprise you, and I will indeed leave a link in the video description down below where you can check them out for yourself. Today we are going to give them, you know what, a very handsome 9 out of 10, that is rating them within a budget range category. And if you have liked this very quick review today, well, you can check them out for yourself and go get yours. While you're in the video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible. More importantly, please subscribe to this channel just now. Go on, go ahead. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now again, this has been a super fast review today, but we've got so much tech to review right now that we're going to swiftly fly through them. So stay tuned to our next video on our channel, and we hope to see you guys over on that very next video. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!